Hey YouTube, today I want to do a quick video on how to fold your sweater. Check it out. Also like and subscribe, please. Thanks. Okay YouTube, so you get your sweater and you spread it out. Make sure it's all spread out. Alright, once it's spread out, grab from right here. You see the little sign, go about half. So put it just like this, and I grab the sleeve and I bring it down. As you can see, that's how I do that part. I try to keep this the more square I can. Now I grab the other side, fold it, and I bring the sleeve down too. Try to keep this the most square I can. Okay, as you can see, I have it like this. Now I grab the hood and I bring it down just like this. Bring the two strings and I put it like that. And now I turn it. Now from turning it, I fold it in half, and there you go. This is how I fold my shirts, my sweaters. Then I grab it and I put it in a drawer or in a closet, wherever you go, nice and neat. Well, please subscribe, like. Thanks for watching.